Hello and welcome to Window Tint Training Institute. My name is Alex Harry. I have been a professional window tinter from last 10 years and I have more than 15,000 happy customers. Now, after training hundreds of people with the hands-on training here in Australia, we have created this online training platform where it's more affordable and more convenient for you guys to learn window tinting from the comfort of your own home at your own pace. Gone are the days when you had to spend thousands of dollars paying fees to learn for 5 days training, plus you had to travel down over here and pay for your accommodation. You don't need to do that anymore. You can learn everything step by step, how to make patterns, how to install windows, and how to tint the entire car at the comfort of your own home at your own pace. You don't need to remember everything in one go. So let's see how it works. Once you buy our online training program, you will have instant access to our online lessons. With the practical training lessons, you will learn step by step on how to make patterns, different tint installation methods such as side door windows, quarter windows, and rear windows. Our online training program will help you become a professional window tinter in a short time. Our online training program works just like in-person hands-on training. The entire process of window tinting is broken down into easy to understand step-by-step instructions for complete beginners. So let's find out how it works. Start the lesson, how to make patterns of back door windows. After watching or after completing the lessons, you can head out and start practicing on your own car and repeat the steps shown in the lesson. And don't worry, if you forget any steps, you can go back and learn them again. Keep practicing and improving your skills until you are confident to make the patterns of back door windows. Once you have mastered the lessons, you can progress to the next lesson on how to install tints on back door windows. Building upon your expertise as you advance through the program, at the end of the training, you will have full hands-on experience of tinting the entire car by yourself, just as hands-on over here. Keep practicing until you are perfect in tinting all the windows of the car. If you practice every day for a few weeks, you will be able to tint the cars like a pro. Once you learn how to tint all the windows, pick a day to test yourself and tint the entire car without watching any lessons. This is a very powerful exercise. At the end of the day, you will have more confidence as a window tinter. Upon finishing the training, you can download the certificate. This will give you and your customers confidence that you are a professional window tinter. Start advertising your tinting services on Facebook Marketplace and other social media platforms and start booking in customers. Congratulations, you are now a professional window tinter. So take actions towards your dream of starting a highly profitable window tinting business. Join hundreds of others who have been in the same place as you were, and now they are making thousands of dollars every week tinting windows.